Okay guys, so I'm going to be just jumping into the tutorial here. So I'm using the app called PixArt. So once you pick your picture, you're going to go to Tools, and I'm just going to zoom in for the TikTok one because that's where I'm going to be posting it. And when you take your photos, you're going to want to take it vertically and not horizontally. So now I'm going to be going into stickers, and I just looked at Vogue magazine, and I'm going to find the best one that suits the surrounding of my picture. So once I find that, then I'm going to be layering it on top of my regular picture. So I'm going to be clicking off and clicking on the actual picture and zooming it out so that it can fit my my picture here. I really don't like the green font, so I'm going to change that, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. You can zoom it out by the little arrows on the right hand corner. So after that, I'm just gonna zoom back into the picture, and then I'm gonna go to apply, and then after that I'm gonna hit effects on the bottom, and then we're gonna scroll all the way until we see pop art. So here's how you change the color. There's green, pink, any color you want to pick. So after I choose the font I'm going with, I'm just gonna see how it looks, and then I'm gonna go back into effects, and then I'm gonna go to pop art again and click this one so it can overlay on the pink and make it look different. So then we're gonna go to stickers again, and I'm gonna just type in barcode, and there's different options, but I just chose to stick with the regular option for this picture because it's more like a plain picture anyway. Also, don't forget to do the free trial for 7 days because it is $50 a year, and make sure to cancel it too. I actually have this on purchase. I use this one for my thumbnails, and it's just a really great app to use. So I'm just going to be showing you guys one more time with another photo that I'm going to be using. So just go ahead and pick your photo. Once you're done editing your photo, of course, then come in here. So then you're going to go to Tools again. You're going to go to Crop. And then I'm going to go with the 3x4 one just because it's going to be on TikTok. You have to do this step first, or it's just not going to come out good. So make sure you do this step first before you start adding stickers and stuff. So I'm going to try to get this one like the whole magazine cover of my actual face. So I'm just going to zoom it all the way in, and I got it where I want it now. So now I'm going to go to stickers. I'm going to type in Vogue magazine again, and I'm going to try to find like a more colorful one for this look. I think this is honestly one of my favorite looks I did, so I just had to do a second one. All the looks are going to be towards the end, so if you want to skip to that, then you're more than welcome to. I'm going to click outside of the picture, and then we're going to drag this right on top of it so it fits. So if you guys want to see behind the scenes, feel free to keep watching. If you guys just wanted to see the tutorial, I just thought I'd put it in the beginning of the video. So now you're basically done. All you need to do is just add the barcode. It's really easy. People think it's harder than it actually is, but it's really not. So now I'm just gonna find a barcode to match my magazine look. And I thought this one was cute, but I was like, nah. So I just ended up finding another one that I really liked, the one that says Be Unique. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that one, size it to the way I like it, and stick it on one of the corners and just apply and save it. That's literally how you do it. It's so easy. It's not hard at all. Let me know if you guys try it out and if it works for you. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below. I also thought this would look better if it was like more blurred out, just to give it more like low definition. So I'm gonna go to effects, go to pop art, and I'm just gonna do the blur effect. There's also different ones if you want to just be different. So I'm just gonna do the second one here, and I think it looks good like that. And then I'm gonna go also to paper and click on stencil 3, I believe. And I like this way better than the first one. Okay guys, so I just emailed myself a couple pictures from my phone. And I guess something is not right because the internet is being a dumb little girl right now. So these are the pictures that I found just on Google that I'm like, I have to do something like this. I don't have a camera to like show you on my phone. You feel me? So I just emailed all this to me. I think these are really cute. Just, you know, some ideas. I want to do something colorful, kind of like this one of Rihanna. So I just looked up Vogue. There's a bunch of different examples. You can look up like 90s Vogue, 80s, or anything that fits your style. I like more of like the abstract looks because I think that fits more of my crazy style. So I want to do one like of like a close-up shot, and then one of like a side profile. And I just have a bunch of stuff in my head. Oh my god. Okay, so I wrote Vogue looks. So excuse my handwriting, it's like really shitty because I just like jotted a bunch of ideas down. Oh, and I got my nails done too. Look. Period. Pictures that I'm really gonna use. So I'm gonna be doing all the looks, and I kind of have an idea of what I more or less want to do. I'll show you. Okay, so don't worry. I mean, I should just shut up already and just show you. So bye. Okay guys, so I just did the yellow part of my eyes. I'm gonna do orange to tie the whole look together. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows yet, and you're gonna see why. It's gonna be because of the certain look I'm doing. So that's why I look like a crazy person with yellow eyelids right now. So I just applied this shade right here first, and then I applied glittery yellow. Okay, so now I just added the orange in the corner, and I dragged it out like this on purpose, I promise. It's because, it's just because of the look I'm going for, okay? Don't judge me. If you judge me, then I'm judging you, okay? So this is what I did. I put the orange on the corner. Oh my god, I just love the way it came out already. I look like a crazy person, but I'm gonna do this whole disaster off camera, like the rest of my face, and then after that I will show you what I'm doing after that. I applied the little pink on the bottom. That's like neon pink. I just think it ties the whole look together. The next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. So I'm gonna fast forward because obviously I think I'm gonna freaking break out. Watch me get like 2 views on TikTok. All this like effort, but you know what, it doesn't matter because I'm helping you out. I'm helping you succeed. I'm helping you with your Vogue videos, so I don't mind. And if you recreate some of these looks, please tag me in it. I have difference between this one and this one, like I do. It's just like, oh, it's just so pretty. I'm like, oh. They're not twins, they're sisters. Well, bitch, this one isn't even my relative. Look at this, like, that's not even my cousin. I'm gonna call it a day, to be honest. I look like an owl right now, but difference between like both of the eyes, it's just so crazy. Okay guys, so I just did these 2 sides right here. I just put the rest of my contacts on. So I'm gonna just be doing squares, like connecting to each other all the way down to like right here probably. So the next color I'm gonna do is like red on. Like guys, if you have glue, then this is gonna work way better. Hey guys, so I just did the other side. I just finished this side. I'm gonna of course clean up the lines right here and make them darker. But this green part, let me tell you, it was the hardest part I did on my face. Like I can't even look up yet, because then it's gonna go all over the yellow. So I'm just like looking down, like hoping and praying I don't like mess this up. just gonna be wearing these lashes that I got. They're called Ari. I got them at Mimi Wink's website. I'll leave in the description as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put the look together. So, are you guys ready? Drum roll, please. Oh my god, guys, so I'm so excited. This is how it turned out. So I just split it in half and it's just so cute. I just love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stand in back of a blank wall. This is like not a backdrop, obviously, it's just a plain white wall. And I'm gonna do it from here up and I'm gonna just pose like this, like I'm in a box. So I'm gonna put one hand like this, another hand like this, and I'm gonna close it like a box just to go with the theme of like boxy. Wrap this like around my hands and like my neck, but don't choke yourself, okay? And here, you can film it in the daytime if you don't have a ring light. I just put together this little, have this little red bottom, and I'm gonna use, it's like from a jump rope. I'm just gonna tie it around, and I've also found these cute earrings, like this little square yellow one and pink one. I just thought it would be cute to put them on. I'm gonna do my hair real fast, and then I'm gonna wrap this around, and then I'll show you the look. Okay, y'all, so I finally think I got the one, and I think I'm just gonna go with that. Actually, it took like probably 10 screenshots, so this is gonna be so hard to find the best one and use it. Also, for anyone doing this on the phone, I would recommend doing it in video because the video just picks up so much better quality. I have the iPhone 8 Plus right now, and this is what it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty good. If I just did like photo, I wouldn't be able to show you guys. And also it just looks so much better, so that's another tip for you. I'm actually gonna do the bathroom scene first. So I left the contacts in. I just am doing like kind of like a little cut crease with the brown, put little freckles on my face, and no eyelashes this time. And I don't know what the hell I'm gonna wear, to be honest, but I'm gonna have my hair down. I'm gonna be laying in the bathtub. Okay, so I just applied this the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick. Really done. All I need to do is just do the little freckles. So I just finished my makeup. I'm so pissed because my ring light just broke. It really turned on, and I had to do this. Like, seriously? But all days it stopped working. It just happened to be today. My ring light just died. Okay, so I just redid my makeup for the 3rd time today, and I put on this red lipstick from LA Girls. I think I look ridiculous with red lipstick, but the eyelashes I'm going to be using are these ones. Super cute. I haven't wore them. They're also from Mimi Wink's and Jodeci, I believe that's what it's called. Oh my god, guys, so this look is honestly my favorite. I love these eyelashes. These are so pretty. And I don't know, I think I'm just gonna keep my hair in a bun, like in a low bun. So here is my outfit. I just got this little thing that my sister gave me from Nova. Then I also got these little gloves here. I just had them. You can use anything you want, really. You don't have to necessarily use the gloves. And then I got this like little lace shirt. I'm probably just gonna like, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, to be honest. Like, I'm just gonna make it like more like classy. You feel me? Like classic. I just really hope, oh my god, the lighting here is like horrible. Hopefully this comes out classic and not tragic. Okay, so let's go. Okay, right there's perfect. Like, seriously? Okay, I need someone to tell me off right now because this looks stupid. No, that's stupid. I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who watched till the end and who are watching and who support me. I love you, and stay tuned for next week's video. I'm going to be posting on Sundays at around 1 or 12 or something like that, like around.